So here we are. It's already time for Vitaly versus Levan, and maybe Vitaly versus Devon too. Both of these matches within this year. At East versus West 16, Vitaly Laletin was already crowned the new left arm super heavyweight champion of the world by most of the arm wrestling fans without even arm wrestling Artem Morozov. That's how confident the fans were. But Vitaly kept on saying that it's really a 50-50, a pretty close match. And Vitaly did prove the fans right, and he proved himself right by winning the match and becoming the left arm champion. But the manner in which he won was shocking to everyone. Maybe it was shocking even for Vitaly, despite him already having predicted it as a very close match. Vitaly showed more resilience, more versatility than ever. The fear of getting into a press that prevented him from trying that move for many years, that also vanished, and it's a scary thought for all of the arm wrestling world. So now the world knows that Vitaly has insane endurance and he has a flop press too. And also the fact that he looked kind of human against Morozov, that is going to benefit him as well, because at least he will get some left arm super matches. If he destroyed Morozov 4 flash pins in a row, then who do you put him up against next? So what's next for the Russian giant Vitaly? First of all, Engin has already announced it will be Vitaly Laletin versus Levan Saginashvili. Why, you may ask? Because Hermes has defeated Michael Todd and he already announced that he would like to have another super match before he gets to face Levan. So unfortunately, Levan has no other opponent left for the June super match and he has already started his training. So even though Vitaly did not want to go against Levan, he wanted it towards the later part of this year, he has to accept this match. But just try to remember how Vitaly defeated Morozov's right arm, and Morozov said before this super match that his right and left were pretty close. So how good is Vitaly's right arm? That's the question. How can anyone beat Artem Morozov like that? We already know how serious Vitaly's left arm is, and Morozov did give him a pretty good fight. And if his right is also at a similar level, then is Vitaly's right even stronger than his left? Because if it is, then the Levan Saginashvili match can be a little bit interesting. At least it won't be as easy for Levan as the fans and maybe even Levan himself is expecting. What if because of his height, because of his speed, Vitaly is able to move Levan off center, maybe even close to the pad? And what if he develops a right arm press as well? I know Vitaly didn't physically look super impressive doing the press, but how strong is Morozov's arm? Since he went through Morozov's arm with a flop press, then it must be a serious weapon. And the good thing is, even if Vitaly loses to Levan, which let's be honest, he most likely will, although I would like to see a close match, but even then, Vitaly can get to face Devon Larratt. So Vitaly versus Devon will also happen most likely by the end of this year, who knows, or early part of next year, unless Devon decides to cut weight once again. And imagine, just imagine if Devon defeats Morozov on the left arm at next East versus West event, hoping that Morozov's left isn't injured and the match actually happens, then Vitaly versus Devon left arm must happen. There's just no way around that. So we can see Vitaly versus Devon both left and right within a matter of 1 year from now. That is really unbelievable. So what else for Vitaly on the left? Maybe Alijan Muratov. I would have definitely said Alex Kurdecha if Kurdecha didn't lose to Dadikian, but that match seems a little off as of now. If we talk about the right arm, then the Hermes Gasparini rematch. Vitaly wants to avenge that loss for sure. The Jerry Caderet match is due for Vitaly, and maybe Alex Kurdecha on the right arm, that can happen too. So many possibilities there. Let's see how these things play out, and let's see if Vitaly is strong enough to deal with Levan and Devon Larratt. Thanks for watching, like the video, and I'll see you again.